How to bring your ideas to life with just a few words. Discover the magic of transforming text into stunning animations using cutting-edge AI technology and turn your creativity into captivating visuals in minutes. Understanding your market is essential for making well-informed decisions. Here's what you need to focus on. Start with comprehensive market research to gain insights into your target audience and competitors. Animated explainer videos, like the one you're watching, are highly effective in capturing attention. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or educator, using animated explainer videos can lead to quick success. How to make animated videos with AI. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an explainer video using an AI tool called Mango AI. So, let's jump right in. AI animation video generator Mango Animate is a comprehensive toolkit for animators. On the homepage, you'll find a range of tools including Mango AI for generating AI videos online, Mango AHA for creating animation videos, Mango WM for producing whiteboard animations, Mango A for crafting presentations, Mango CM for character creation, and Mango TM for generating text-based videos. Today, I'll be using AI text-to-video Mango AI to create the video. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the Mango AI page, sign up with your Google account or email. This is the Mango AI interface. Here, you'll find 5 options for creating AI videos and 1 for photo editing. The first option is the AI talking photo, where you can create a talking photo avatar. Next is the text-to-animation AI feature, which allows you to create engaging animated videos from a script. The text and image to video option lets you combine text and images to create a video. Then, there's the talking head video feature, where you can design custom talking head avatars with perfect lip sync. Lastly, the AI photo editor lets you edit your images. Today, since I want to create an animated explainer video, I'll be using the text-to-animation feature. You'll find a wide range of templates for various purposes, and you can choose any one that suits your needs. However, I recommend using the custom option to fully leverage the capabilities of Mango AI. In the custom lip syncing option, you'll find several templates to choose from. Select one, and we can customize it later. I'm choosing this cartoon or Disney-style avatar template. Now, simply click the Create button. This is the Mango AI video or animation creator interface. First, you'll want to start with a brief introduction in the script section. For example, I'm typing how to run a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Next, enter your video script in the provided box. I generated this script using ChatGPT, so I'll simply copy and paste it here. You can also add images to your script if desired. Once you've entered your script, click the Apply button. Now, enter the outro script in this box. I'm keeping it simple by typing. Thanks for being with us, can't wait to see you next week. Next, you can choose an outro background. I'm selecting one of the backgrounds from Mango, but you can upload your own if you prefer. In the script settings, you'll need to set the voice actor, title style, and font. Mango AI lets you generate audio using 3 major AI voice generator platforms: Amazon AWS Poly, Azure, and 11 Labs. You can create voiceovers in multiple languages on all of these platforms. I'll be using Azure to generate the voiceover. After selecting your preferred platform, choose the language, listen to a few voice samples, and pick the one that suits your needs best. After choosing the voice actor, you can then select a title style and font. Next, let's move on to the video settings. Here, you can adjust the video resolution, background music, and aspect ratio. Set these options according to your needs. With the script and video settings ready, let's focus on the background. The background library offers a wide variety of video backgrounds. If you prefer a custom background, you can upload your own. For this video, I'll be using a background from the library. Now, let's move to the avatar settings, which are crucial. In the Avatar Library tab, you'll find 3 options: Dynamic Avatar, Photo Avatar, and Custom Avatar. If you want to use your own avatar, simply upload the image here. For this video, I'll be using a photo avatar. There's a wide selection of photo avatars available, catering to various styles and use cases. There's also a cool feature where you can swap the avatar's face with your own. That's why I chose not to use a custom avatar. After selecting an avatar, click the Face Swap button. Upload your source face image. I'm using this image for demonstration. After uploading, click the Face Swap button again. As you can see, the avatar now has the face from the source image, which is pretty impressive. Scroll down to the avatar settings. First, choose the resolution. Any of these options will work, but I'm going with 720p. Next, adjust the facial pose settings. This feature lets you control facial movements and eye blinking, a unique option offered by Mango Animate. I'll select blinking and moderate facial movement for a more natural look. At the end, you'll find the cartoon lip sync option. This is another key feature of Mango AI. Many lip sync generators struggle with cartoon characters, but this feature addresses that issue. I'm turning it on. With the avatar set, let's move to the whiteboard settings. You'll find a wide selection of whiteboard templates. I think this one will work perfectly for me. In the whiteboard settings, you can adjust 3D tilt effects, background style, and zoom in effects. I'll skip the 3D tilt effects, use the light background style, and opt for the zoom in effect if needed. We're all set now. To generate the final video, click the Create AI Video button. Mango AI will take a bit of time to process, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee or tackle other tasks. You can leave this page, it won't interrupt the video generation. I'll fast forward this part. For a $5 purchase, you can remove the watermark. And there it is, our video is ready.
How to run a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Running a faceless YouTube channel with AI is a streamlined way to create content without appearing on camera. Here's a concise guide. 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and appeals to a broad audience, such as tech tutorials, listicles, or motivational content. 2. Script writing. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate scripts. These tools can craft engaging and informative content tailored to your audience. 3. Voiceover generation. AI voice generators like 11 Labs or Murph AI can produce realistic voiceovers. Customize the tone and pitch to match your content style. 4. Video creation. Leverage AI video tools like Picti or Synthesia to convert your scripts into videos. These platforms offer templates and stock footage, making video production easy. 5. Editing. Refine your videos using tools like CapCut. Add transitions, effects, and synchronize visuals with voiceovers to enhance viewer engagement. 6. Thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails using Canva and optimize your titles with TubeBuddy or vidIQ for better search visibility. 7. SEO and description. Write SEO-optimized descriptions using tools like Ahrefs. Include relevant keywords and a call to action to improve search rankings. 8. Monetization and analytics. Once eligible, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Use YouTube Analytics to track performance and refine your content strategy. By utilizing AI, you can efficiently manage a faceless YouTube channel and create engaging, high-quality content.
I think this animated explainer video turned out great, and you can create something similar with Mango AI. Don't forget to give the tool a try. I'll include the link in the description. Feel free to explore Mango AI's other features as well. I'll dive into those in another video. Alright friends, that wraps up our video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on creating animated videos with AI and text-to-animation tools. Share your opinions and results in the comments below. If you found this AI animated explainer video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic Mango AI tutorial like this one. If you want to watch, I found the free website to make viral AI sticky animation videos. New viral niche. Click on the left. If you're interested in how to make your voice deeper and sound better for free in Audacity tutorial. Click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.